everyone, this is V Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's mail is lost mail, you guys. I received this from Wendy. I will have her linked below. I don't want to butcher her name. I always do that. So I'm going to have her linked below, you guys. She has an Instagram and a YouTube. So this is lost mail from December. So finally got it just a few days ago. I believe it was yesterday or the day before. Yeah. So let's go ahead and open this. So let's see what's in here. We got a letter. So let me read the card. And it is Christmas mail, you guys. It's lost mail. Thank you so much. So I'm going to show you her IG. She's Glued with Love on IG. So go ahead and check her out. And I will have her YouTube linked below as well. Thank you so much, Wendy. So I appreciate you as well. So it's just a thank you card and also sending me some happy mail. Thank you so much. Okay, let's get into this. So first off, we have some tea because yes, I love tea. I love coffee. So definitely using this. I don't mind it being from December at all. So she sent some naturally flavored black tea with ginger. Ooh, yes. I've been meaning to make this tea my daily tea. This tea I heard has so much benefits, you guys. It really is one of those immune boosters. So I'm glad to try that because I have been wanting to make this my daily thing. I still haven't tried this one. Unfortunately, I haven't. You know what? I think it's turmeric and ginger and cinnamon. So I will add turmeric to this immune booster that I will definitely try this. So, let's get into this. We got some goodies. My kids are going to love that. So here's another one, little gingerbread. She made so many gingerbread projects this December, you guys. It was very inspiring and I love her work. She has creative projects, you guys. Go check her out. And she sent me this eyeshadow which definitely will match me and I love it, Wendy. Let's see if it's okay. So it's an eyeshadow palette. Let's go ahead and try it out. Come on. Uh-oh, I hear my son. Let's hurry up and do this. Okay, I'm not going to open that. So she sent me that. She also sent me some winter berry. Ooh, wonder how this smells. Let's see. I love lotions, you guys. So definitely will be using this. That does smell good. Oh, here he comes, you guys. We gotta hurry. So she also sent me hand sanitizer, which I always have this in the car, you guys. Hand sanitizer. Even before COVID, we always use hand sanitizer. She also sent me a lip gloss, which I definitely will try. It's very sparkly. And she sent me a hydrating face mask, which, where's the face mask? Yeah. It's a sheet mask, so hydrating for beautiful skin, and it has the vitamin B5 and the hyaluronic acid. I hope I pronounced that right, but definitely will love this. So thank you so much, Wendy. I love this and we'll be using all of it. Thank you so much. And my son is right coming down the stairs. So you guys, please check out Wendy. I will see you guys in the next video. She also has an Instagram. Thank you so much, Wendy. I appreciate this. Definitely will be using this, and thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.